Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at toppers.
Vacuum sealers.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
If you're looking for a way to save money, simplify your cooking, and help your food stay fresh for longer, the NutriChef vacuum sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your kitchen. This is an ideal way to save money and time with easy, organized food storage and a faster way to prep your food. The NutriChef vacuum sealer preserves food up to 5 times longer than zippered bags or containers. It's easy to operate with its simple plug-in design, soft touch control panel, and LED indicator lights. It features 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. Dry for solid food items, and moist for marinated, simmered, or steamed foods. Included with the vacuum sealer, you'll find the air hose, a cork wine stopper, along with 5 medium vacuum bags and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll. Both bag styles are waterproof and reusable, so you're ready to seal, store, and save as soon as you have the NutriChef vacuum sealer in your kitchen. The NutriChef vacuum sealer is the perfect automatic air sealing system for your kitchen. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized pre-cut bags or customize one from the vacuum bag roll included. To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber. Dry for solid food items. Included with the vacuum sealer, you'll find the and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll. Are waterproof, and so you're ready to seal, save as soon as you have the NutriChef vacuum sealer is the perfect. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber. Put it into place and touch the seal button to cut the length of the bag you need. Be sure to leave space on the end for sealing. Best possible preservation. Dry for solid items and moist for wet items. Choose the gentle option for delicate air hose and wine stopper so you can seal your leftover wine and your kitchen clean.
Hey, I want to do a review today on this great vacuum sealer. So this is everything that comes in the box. You have one for a larger jar and then a smaller jar. Comes with some lids here, a can opener, which is great. And then it also comes with some tools to use with a vacuum sealer. So this mini vacuum sealer is really great. It takes seconds to be able to suction the jar, and it comes with a little charger, stays charged a long time. So what I'm going to do is show you how convenient this is. I am sealing off this jar with some food in it. So you put the lid on it, you put the top right here, really easy to put on. You take your sealer, you place it right on top, and then you press the button. And you can hear it, it is suctioning off and sealing it up, which is really great. And then you just press it and take it off. And then what you can do is pull it off. It comes off really nice and easy actually. And then you have a nice sealed jar. And so really quick and convenient. I love that. And then if you want to open it up, take this jar and you can hear it. And it unseals it, which is really great. Just a really nice resource. If you want to use your FoodSaver, it does come with the tools to be able to hook this up to your FoodSaver suction, put this right in here and it can do the same thing. So really nice option that it has here. But this is just really convenient, really easy to use. You can see when you turn it on, it starts the suction, and you can do it with a smaller jar too with these lids. So if you're looking for a great way to be able to can and seal lids, I highly recommend you check this one out. It would be a great gift for somebody looking to do a lot of canning and securing some food. And I found this one on Amazon.